So welcome back. If you don't see A3 size in the list, it's usually because your default printer does not support that size, so you can force it manually. So for this you need to click the layout tab and click on the size and then select more paper size. So in the page setup dialog box, you need to click on the paper tab and enter these dimensions. You need to put the width 11.69 inches and 16.54 inches height, and then click OK to proceed, and then press Ctrl P to open the printer menu, and under the settings section click the button that shows the current paper size, and here it is. You need to click on that and select the A3 size from the list and click OK to proceed, and that's all. So this way you can easily fix your paper size A3 missing issue. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.